Okay, so as y'all know, we have been doing a giveaway for the past 3 months due to some family issues, but today is the day that we finally choose a winner. So in today's video, we will be doing the drawing for the $300 Everything You Need to Resin video. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you want to see me do, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. And if you would, give this video a big thumbs up. It will certainly help out the channel. Without further ado, let's get into this drawing. Okay, so I have all the names on this paper and we are going to, actually I need to, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up the videos. Give me a pen, please. I didn't bring my pen over here. The pink one that's, no, the pink one that's on the dresser right there, on the desk. Okay, so we're coinciding everybody that did everything that they were supposed to do on the videos. And I'm going to write them all down. Okay. Okay. All right. So we wrote everybody's name down, and I did some cross-referencing between both channels earlier. So now I am going to go ahead and cut these up. Let's see. I guess I could have done the prep work before getting on here, but I didn't want to. I want everything to be fair, and since we're doing it between 2 channels this time, I didn't want to, I couldn't use my usual method, which is digital, because I don't really have access to my sister's channel. I mean, I guess I could have gained access to it, but I know she's pretty busy, and with everything going on, it's been difficult for our family, so. So for each task that was complete, if you completed all 3 tasks on all videos, then you get 3. And your name gets entered 3 times because we didn't have a very big turnout. And then I have a couple of people that completed some of the tasks, and I know there was a lot of them, so I'm not gonna not put their name in the drawing because they did most of them. So their names will go in twice, and so on and so forth. I didn't want to be hateful because I know that, you know, it's hard to make sure that you've done everything. So I wanted to make sure that, you know, everybody had a chance to get their name in if they tried to complete any of the tasks. So we are going to go to, let's see, my videos, and then we're going to go to my sister's videos. Okay, so there's that one. And then let's go to...
What's poppin', you guys? Today
I love my little sister's energy. She's fun and exciting. Alright. So. Okay. Which, this giveaway, I didn't really have a whole lot of time to put extra into marketing or anything. So, I mean, that's kind of the reason why we didn't have that great of a turnout. I mean, I had an okay turnout, but, you know, normally my giveaway videos get a lot more traction. But normally I also have more room to market and stuff, because YouTube is just like having a business. You gotta put yourself out there or you'll never get recognized. So yeah. But we had an okay turnout, and thank you to everyone who did participate. And I just want to thank you to all my subscribers, and I hope that you let us know what you think of the products on the videos that are on the video. On this video, let us know what you think of the products for whoever the winner is. Now, the winner does have 24 hours to contact me. If not, we will have to draw another name. So I will make sure to put this out on my social media platform, and of course it will be here on YouTube for my subscribers. And all of these ladies are subscribed, so that's good. So they'll be able to see this video, but I'm excited. So let's go ahead and get all these folded up. Put everybody's name in here. So let's see. Ooh, just a few more. I guess I could have done this on live, but I don't know how many people tune into my lives. If y'all want to see a live, let me know in the comment section down below. If that's something y'all would be interested in, and what type of live you would like to see. I still have a lot of ideas. We are still in the process of moving. There's a lot going on. Oh no, I flipped it across the room. Okay. All right, so everybody's name is in this bowl. Everybody's name is in the bowl. Let's see. Let's pick a lucky name. Who's it gonna be? And we have Geraldine Gomez. So Geraldine, congratulations. I will respond to your comment on one of the other videos as soon as this is uploaded. This will be uploaded today. The giveaway was over yesterday at 11:59 p.m. So Geraldine, what you're going to do is you are going to email me your address in the email or in my business email that is in the description box. That is also going to be posted right here at the bottom of the video. Oh, excuse my phone. That's also going to be posted right here at the bottom of the video. It's its.stephanie.b7@gmail.com, and that is my business email. So you will be receiving it from a P.O. Box 14466. That's in Odessa, Texas, 79768. That is my business mailing address. If anybody wants to send any mail or anything, y'all are more than welcome to send it to that address. But so Geraldine, congratulations. I am so excited to be sending you this package. Please send me all your contact information in the email and I will get this sent out to you tomorrow if I can get your information by tomorrow. You have 24 hours. It is currently 11 o'clock a.m. here where I'm at, but of course this will be 12 hours after the video goes up, so it will go up in the next couple of hours. So I hope that you enjoy your package and let me know, okay? So thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, as usual, leave them in the comment section down below. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and yay to Geraldine. Congratulations.